Welcome to speedearning.in, Institute of Money Management. We are discussing right now real estate and property trading investment course. So in last lecture we discussed about 5 types of different investments which are possible in real estate. So first option was plot. Plot is for maximum appreciation. Second, flat in residential apartment. Third, row house bungalows. Fourth, commercial investment, commercial property. And fifth, agricultural land. So we discussed first 2 types in last lecture. Now we are going to discuss remaining 3 types. So what is there in this commercial property? What are the pros and cons? So if you are going for commercial properties, there are some specialities. More regular returns. Commercial property may be the most expensive option, but it is giving you the best regular return. Suppose you are buying a shop of 300 square feet or 500 square feet, you are buying an office of 500 or 200 square feet. It may cost you 40 lakh, 50 lakh in the beginning, but it is giving you more than 0.5% rent in the beginning, and after some time it may be possible that you may get 1% to 2% return as a rent. A regular return will be there lifelong. So that is the best thing. The only one condition applied, that that particular complex or market should be in demand. Second thing, cons. These were all the positive points. Now we are talking about the negative points. So what are negative points? Higher maintenance cost. For commercial property, they may charge 2, 3 or 5 rupees per square feet. So maintenance cost may be much higher. But if you are renting your property, then it's affordable. Second thing, any commercial property may be suddenly out of demand. Before 5 years or 10 years, some marketplace was in heavy demand, and after 5 years the scene changes and demand may shift to some other location. So in that case, it is quite difficult to rent out your offices, and if there are some clients, they are not giving you appropriate rent. So that is the problem in commercial property. And third thing, maximum cost per square feet. Fourth, limited use. If you are buying an office or shop, then that will be used for commercial purpose only. If you are going for apartment, flat or plot, you can use for so many things. You can use for personal purposes, you can use for business purposes, or you can do anything there. Now we are talking about row house and bungalows. Row house bungalows, self-designed design and construction, means it may be designed according to very own purpose. So for bungalow, you can choose your own design. That is the best benefit. And what I discussed in last lecture, that in plot your spouse may not be connected. She needs walls to feel some emotions. So in row house bungalow, there are double benefits. For husband, there is appreciation of plot is also there. For wife, walls are also there, a house is also there. So that is a combination which is giving you both the things. And what are negative points? Negative points, higher cost. If you are going for the same location, bungalow will cost you much more. So you will have to go the farthest location, outskirt area. If you are able to buy a flat in the posh or best location, in the same cost, if you want to buy the land or row house bungalow, you will have to go outskirts. So there are some further locations. If those locations are well connected to roads and there is a township which is secured by a good security, then it's okay. So there should be all the amenities which are not causing you the problem. Otherwise development and growth of that property becomes difficult. And here for flat and bungalow, you need to study more. So comparatively a difficult decision, because you will have to calculate the valuation of the plot, then nearby development. If it is not happening, if end user is not going there, then that property will not appreciate. And third thing is you will have to see the quality of construction and cost of construction. So according to that, it can be decided that the particular row house or bungalow is better to opt or not. So it was the fourth option, bungalow and row house. Now fifth option is agricultural land. That's a big deal. So agricultural land gives extra yield. You may develop a colony or township there, but for that a big investment and very complex official procedure involved. So if you are developing a colony or township, then it will give you many times better return. And what are the negative points? Maximum study needed there, very complex decision, and protection of your property is the biggest issue. There may be some political issues because it is a very huge deal. It needs a lot of investment, and if decision is wrong, then it may affect you more. It may affect your whole life, whole investment. And one more thing, if you are going for agricultural land, then that's appreciation may take very long time if there is no development story nearby. So these are the 5 options what we discussed about real estate: plot, flat, commercial property, shops or offices, fourth row houses or bungalows, and fifth agricultural land. You should understand and think about all the options. You talk to your family, and if you are a broker, you should talk to so many clients to know their opinion and get the maximum points to convince about any product. If you are able to give right product to right person, then you will become the best real estate consultant. Thank you very much. Bye.